Hey, car enthusiasts! Today I want to talk about something that often gets overlooked but is absolutely vital to your engine's performance: lubrication. Yep, you heard that right. Proper lubrication is key to making sure your engine runs efficiently and lasts longer. So, why is lubrication so important? Think of your engine as the heart of your car. Just like how blood keeps our bodies running smoothly, oil keeps your engine parts moving in harmony. Without it, you're looking at friction, wear and tear, and ultimately, a lot of expensive repairs. Let's break it down. When you start your engine, the oil gets pumped through the various components like the crankshaft, camshaft, and pistons. This creates a thin film that reduces friction and heat. Less friction means less wear on those crucial parts, and less heat means your engine runs cooler, which improves its overall efficiency. But it doesn't stop there. Good lubrication also helps to clean your engine. It picks up dirt, debris, and tiny metal particles that could otherwise cause damage. The oil filter then traps these impurities, keeping your engine clean and your performance top-notch. Now let's talk about oil types. You've got conventional, synthetic, and high-mileage oils. Synthetic oils offer better performance in extreme temperatures and conditions. High-mileage oils are great for older engines and help reduce leaks and oil consumption. So, how often should you change your oil? The old rule of thumb was every 3,000 miles, but with advancements in oil technology, many modern engines can go 5,000, 7,500, or even 10,000 miles between changes. Always check your owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommendations. And here's a pro tip: don't forget to check your oil level regularly. A quick dipstick check can save you from a lot of headaches down the road. Low oil levels can lead to engine damage, so make it a habit to check your oil at least once a month. To sum it up, proper lubrication is the lifeblood of your engine. It reduces friction, keeps your engine clean, and helps it run cooler and more efficiently. So, don't skimp on your oil changes and always use the right type of oil for your car. Your engine and your wallet will thank you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car tips and tricks. Drive safe, and keep that engine purring.